Hi guys, welcome to this video, and then in this video I teach you how to acquire or how to apply for your birth certificate online. How to apply for your biometric birth certificate online. Without wasting time, let's head into the video. Great. So before we head into the video, right, before we start everything, here are some checklists that you have to go through. Make sure you have available before you even start your application for your biometric birth certificate. You must have any of these documents in its scanned format. That is a soft copy of any of these documents. Your baptismal certificate, your weighing card, your old birth certificate, or an affidavit, right? That is if you are the parents trying to apply for your ward or for your kid, then your affidavit. Rather than that, you cannot apply for this biometric birth certificate. Now the next one is you have to know all of these details before you start your forms. The first and last name, your gender, age group, country and city, your mobile number, your education, your occupation, and then your email address, right? So get to know all of this, have all of the mandatory documents, and then let's proceed. So head over to your browser and then type in ghana.gov.gh, right? ghana.gov.gh. Once you type that in, this is what you're going to get. If you already have an account with ghana.gov.gh, you can use the login. If you don't and this is your first time, then click on sign up, right? Once you click on sign up, put in your name. So you put in your first name, let's say Prince, right? Your last name, let's say Ado, right? Put in a valid registered mobile money number. This number is going to be charged an amount when you are trying to buy the forms, right? So please put in a valid registered mobile money number. You put in your email address, choose a secured password, click here to continue or to agree, right? Let's put a number in there for the video purpose, 024 whatever it is. Yeah, I think let's add one more, right? So you click on continue, valid mobile number, let's take one out and continue. Wait, it's going to bring you here where a digits code, I think 4 or 5 digits code, is going to be sent to the number that you placed in here, right? So you make sure that you place the valid number, and then you're going to receive the verification code as they state here on that particular number. You copy that here and then you paste, then you click on continue. It's going to create your account for you. Once that is done, go to the home page of ghana.gov.gh, scroll down to this section where they say birth and death, right? As you can see here, birth, death and marriages, right? Click on that, go to birth and death registry. So they give you some kind of details. You can read that to understand everything the right way, right? Now go for apply. So I'm in Greater Accra. I can choose the nearest branch if I know it by name. If not, I'll have to scroll through. So I'm going to choose the Amasaman, I think Ablikuma West. So let's say Amasaman, Gan West, Amasaman, and then continue. So they've got general service, they've got late registration and they've got registration updates, just go in for late registration. Okay, so late registration, you're going to have 1 to 5 years paying 10 cedis, 5 years and above paying 20 cedis. But if you end up having to change some details in your application, then you have to go in for the late change, which is 50 cedis. So let's say 5 years and above, I take this one, 20 cedis. Then you click on pay. Once you click on pay, it's going to ask you to log into your account. Okay, it's going to ask you to log into your account. So you're going to log into your account. It should automatically take you to your dashboard, but if it does not take you to the dashboard, this is one of the things you can do. Let me log in as fast as possible and then guide you through. So it's going to great. So let's say you go to the home page. If it did not take you to your dashboard, just click on your name on the top right corner, go to dashboard, and then you are going to find your invoice over there of the form that you just bought. So the form is going to be there. It's going to take as not paid, so you click on it, make payment via mobile money or any payment method available as at the time you are watching this video. Then it's going to mark as paid. So once you click on it, then you will be able to fill the forms, right, with the details that we provided. So a scanned copy of any of the documents here, then the related information, so the entries, the first name, the last name, gender, age group, country, city, mobile number, education, occupation, and email address. Please note that if you do not make the payment, the forms will not be available for you. And yes, that is done. If you end up not being able to do it and want assistance in doing it, feel free to send me an email or send me a message via WhatsApp, and then I'll guide you through personally. If you have the old type of passport, the old type of birth certificate, and you want to change that into your biometric birth certificate, you can also send me a WhatsApp message or an email, and then I would find ways and means to help you out. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment if you have any difficulties also. Have a nice day.